I'm wondering if this placement of the camera is the right placement to record a video. If the background is okay, I mean, we've got Superman over there, my instruments, my games, the lighting. Well, if you haven't read the title already, this is my game room 3.0, I think. Why? Because I know it's not too long ago that I did a game room tour, but this is simply a video about, well, a tour again, but I've completely rearranged my room with the help from my girlfriend, of course. This took 4 hours to do, 4 or 5 hours, let's say 5 hours to be sure, because I had to do some cleaning as well. We had to put up some shelves, and yeah, this is finally it. This is how I feel comfortable when I use my PC and game and stream, and yeah. By the way, if you're new to the channel, hello, I'm Redrix. I do a lot of gaming videos regarding when it's about news, and I do live streams only on Twitch regarding gaming. If I do chill live stream, that's here on YouTube. But if you want to see me stream some games, head over to Twitch and follow me there. The link is in the description box down below. Now let's see my room. Alright, I hope that the audio is okay because I'm holding the mic. Yeah. So, as we enter my room, I suggest you guys to watch the 2.0 of my game room tour, so you will compare the room, how it looks now and how it looked before. So still, the only thing that has not been rearranged is basically this corner with my guitar, bass, games. That's basically it. So when you come into the room, this is what you'll see. My games, PS1, 2, 3, and 4. Some special editions. And some figures. Yeah, and my wrestling ring is still up there. So here was, this was the placement of my desktop before. Now I've got my TV and my PS1, 2, 3, and a sound system. Go over to the left side. That couch is now turned that way. Before it was here. And this is my little studio, whatever you want to call it. That's the thing you use. It's the Line 6 UX2. That's what you use to plug in the guitar and bass. That's my MacBook. And over here, that's the shelf we put up so I can have my PS4 there. My new headset, Logitech. That's the Hue light, my arcade stick, and my PC's down there now. And this is basically my desktop. Whoo! My Stream Deck, my keys, keyboard, whatever, and my 2 screens, ring light, and my accomplishment with my band. That's basically it. And my mic, of course. So basically the shelf was up here, as you see, and we've moved it down there. And I had my cam on that shelf, which I don't have anymore, so I need to find a new placement for my cam. So that means I have to find a new placement, right? Did I just say, oh my god, I'm saying placement a lot in this video. So I think the new placement should be here on my PS4. Now I can sit comfortably and do a video like this, and we still got the lighting in the background. So what do you think? Do you like this better than the last rearrangement, or do you prefer the old room? Should I have the old room back, or is this actually okay? I like it, to be honest. It gives me more space here on the floor. I feel there's more space here on my desk. There's just so many things that's good about this new room, but it comes with a downside. My, like, not action figures, but let me show you guys. For instance, this one. I don't have a room for my collector edition figures. I've got my WWE 2K. I put it back in the box, and this I have no room for it. It's on the floor underneath the couch, basically just collecting dust. And this is one of the most awesome thing I've had. I actually just canceled my pre-order for the collector's edition of Last of Us 2 because seriously, I have no room for those things anymore. I think I've reached the limit of collector's edition, so now I just pre-ordered the deluxe edition, and I have to deal with that. But I'm actually still happy because you will still get great features pre-ordering the deluxe edition, which is the special edition of The Last of Us 2. Yeah, so that's basically it. Let me know down below what you think about this, and if you want to see my new setup on stream, follow me on Twitch. The link is in the description box down below. So until then, I'll see you all again next time. Peace!